Inside the world's largest pork factory, Smithfield Foods Tar Heel plant. Did you know the bacon on your breakfast plate might have passed through a factory so massive it can process 32,000 hogs every single day? Welcome to Smithfield Foods Tar Heel plant in North Carolina, the world's largest pork processing facility. From the moment you step inside, even just in your imagination, the scale is staggering. Conveyor belts hum like arteries, robotic cutters rotate in perfect rhythm, and thousands of employees move with precise timing, transforming live hogs into packaged pork products for millions of people. It all starts with a single question: how does one factory handle tens of thousands of animals every day and deliver meat across the US and beyond? At Tar Heel, efficiency isn't an option, it's a necessity. Every hog entering the facility is processed at a staggering rate, one every 2 seconds during peak operations. The plant operates like a carefully choreographed industrial city. Slaughtering, cutting, deboning, packaging, refrigeration, and distribution all flow seamlessly together, a machine powered by both humans and technology. Thousands of skilled workers are at the heart of this system. In 2008 alone, North Carolina operations, including Tar Heel, employed around 10,000 people, creating a vital pillar for the local economy. These workers guide the process, ensuring quality at every step. While automation handles repetitive tasks, human expertise guarantees that every cut meets exacting standards. It's a delicate balance of scale and craftsmanship, precision and speed. The Tar Heel plant isn't just about production, it's about impact. Products from this single facility reach grocery stores, restaurants, and international markets, feeding millions and shaping global pork supply chains. Trucks, cold storage, and logistics hubs work hand in hand with the factory, turning a rural location into a global food hub. And behind the numbers is a story of people, technology, and the industrial ambition required to keep pace with a hungry world. But here's the key point: the Tar Heel plant isn't just a factory. It's a symbol of modern industrial meat production. One place, thousands of employees, tens of thousands of animals, all working together to feed millions. It's a reminder that every pork chop, every slice of bacon, has a journey, one that begins in a massive, meticulously orchestrated machine of human skill and industrial scale. Next time you enjoy that breakfast favorite, remember, it may have traveled through this colossal facility, a place where 32,000 hogs a day start their journey from farm to table, and where the scale, efficiency, and labor behind your food are truly astounding. As the day begins to unfold at the Tar Heel plant, the morning shift workers filter through security, ready to embark on their rigorous day. They exchange familiar greetings and chatter, a sense of camaraderie evident as they prepare for the tasks ahead. Dedicated teams gather, each taking their position along the long conveyor belts, where the soft whirring of machines serves as a backdrop to their synchronized movements. The atmosphere hums with a blend of anticipation and resolve, every worker aware of the vital role they play in this overarching operation. It's a busy dance, choreographed not just by technology, but by collective human experience and commitment, emphasizing the unique blend of automation and craftsmanship that defines this facility. As the clock strikes 8, the first hogs arrive, and the air becomes charged with purpose. Workers don their protective gear, stepping into their roles with acute focus. Attention shifts to the lead operator, who coordinates the flow of animals into the processing line, ensuring that every movement is executed smoothly. The first hog is guided onto the track, where mechanical arms gently lift it into position. Like clockwork, each worker is positioned precisely, ready to contribute to the next crucial step in the process. Ensuring safety and efficiency, they begin their duties, wielding their tools with remarkable skill and precision. The scene unfolds, revealing how every detail is meticulously orchestrated to uphold the plant's renowned reputation for excellence in meat processing. As the processing continues, the rhythmic sound of machinery blends with the chatter of workers. The lead operator, John, cracks a smile as he watches the team seamlessly coordinate their movements. "Keep it sharp, folks," he calls out, instilling a sense of urgency while fostering a relaxed atmosphere, a reminder of their shared mission. Each worker understands the importance of the task at hand. They slice, debone, and package with care, their eyes occasionally meeting in mutual acknowledgement of their hard work. This isn't just a job, it's a shared commitment to quality. The unmistakable scent of fresh pork fills the air, intertwining with the ambience of productivity and pride. As hours pass, the conveyor belts remain in constant motion, tirelessly transporting the transformed cuts to the next station. Each step in the process, every flick of the wrist, reflects the expertise honed over countless repetitions, illustrating the artistry behind their labor. Throughout the plant, a rhythm emerges, one that embodies the dedication and resilience of the workers, all while contributing to the foundational supply chain of an ever-hungry world. As the first hogs are processed, the sound of machinery reaches a steady crescendo, echoing through the expansive facility. Each worker is deeply engrossed in their task, the ambient noise creating a symphony of productivity. Amidst this orchestrated chaos, Maria, a veteran butcher, demonstrates her skill with a practiced hand, swiftly moving through her cuts. Remember, precision is key, she reminds the newer team members, offering guidance and encouragement. Her attention to detail is evident. Every slice is deliberate and exact, ensuring that quality is never compromised. Nearby, Aaron meticulously packages the pork, aligning each piece with care, understanding that their work reaches far beyond these walls. Each worker carries the weight of their responsibility, aware that their craftsmanship contributes to something greater, a well-oiled machine that sustains families and communities across the globe. As the hours pass and shifts change, the camaraderie among workers deepens. Breaks are filled with laughter and stories, a testament to the bonds formed in this demanding environment. It's this close-knit atmosphere that fosters a sense of belonging, essential in a place where the stakes are high and the pace is relentless. As the sun sets on another day at the Tar Heel plant, the sounds of machinery gradually quiet down, replaced by the satisfied chatter of weary but proud workers finishing their shifts. With a shared sense of accomplishment, they leave knowing their efforts feed countless families, their contributions etched into each product crafted.